So here we have Poco M4 Pro device, and I just got it from Flipkart, and this is not going to be my personal device. This is going to be Gorimera's device. So let's have a quick look this new Poco M4 Pro device. This is 4G device. Okay guys, so let's have a quick unboxing. So here we go. So let's do unboxing. So here the smartphone is. This is blue one. Okay, I had ordered blue one. So this is the Poco M4 Pro 4G device, 6GB plus 64GB RAM and variant, and I got it at 13,999 rupees, means 14,000 rupees. Its market price is 15,000 rupees, but I got it on prepaid order 1,000 rupees less, so I got it at 14,000 rupees. And I have clicked some picture with both a rear and front selfie camera, and selfie camera really comes good, and I love always Poco device selfie camera. So here are the sample that I have clicked with selfie camera. So these are the selfie camera. Click on indoor, and I honestly tell you, it's really awesome. I love Poco device selfie camera. So this Poco M4 Pro selfie camera also not different than other Poco smartphone selfie camera. It's really awesome. I love this. So guys, if you're looking for a smartphone under 15,000 and you need a good selfie camera, then I strongly can recommend you go for Poco M4 Pro device, and not for 5G. Okay, go for 4G device, Poco M4 Pro 4G, because there is two variant, and one is 5G variant and one is 4G variant. And 4G variant you will get 33 watt fast charging support also. So guys, this was just quick unboxing. Hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the Extra Online channel to watch my videos. So until then, bye bye, see you, and keep tracking.